Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change app icon in your Android phone. You cannot change your app icon properly using any third-party apps. So if you want to change your app icon, then you have to change your theme. Now touch and hold on the home screen to change your theme. And here at the bottom you can see themes option. Then just tap on themes and then tap on top. Now from here you can download any theme as you like. You can download unlimited theme from here, but make sure that your mobile Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Now if you want to download this theme, just tap here. Now if you download and set this theme, then it will change your app icon. Now just tap on download and give it a moment to download it, and the download is complete. Now just go back. Now if you want to apply this theme, just tap on themes again, then tap on menu, then tap on my stuff, and here you can find your downloaded theme. Now just tap here, then tap on apply and give it a moment, and it's done. You can see in my phone app icon has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change app icon in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.